Listen up, because this isn't about some vague hype or another buzzword you skim through. It's about what's burning you out every damn day. The endless firefight with tech, with data overload, with trying to make your AI investments or startups actually work when half the time it feels like you're just shooting in the dark. You know the frustration. It's not about money. Maybe it is, but more so about missing the point. You're banging your head against brick walls of complexity, black boxes, models that can't explain a thing, and results that never land where you need them. Deep learning, it's everywhere, the magical kid on the AI block. But here's the truth, nobody screams loud enough. Most people, even the so-called experts, don't get how to actually use it to unlock the kind of digital intelligence that's not just flashy, but game-changing. You're drowning in layers of math and hype while your competitors quietly break through with secret sauce you don't have yet. That's the rage. Watching the gap widen while the clock's ticking and your patience runs thin. Stop wasting time on the shallow surface. Deep learning isn't about stacking huge models or buying bigger GPS. It's about understanding the why behind your data, not just cramming numbers into a network and hoping. You need to focus on creating architectures that think closer to how problems actually happen. Forget blindly copying what's trendy. Dig into causal reasoning, into understanding relationships, not correlations. Push your teams to challenge assumptions instead of blindly following textbook recipes. That's the only way you move from noisy results to real, reliable insights. But there's more. This isn't just tech talk anymore. Your real edge is in how you fuse deep learning with human intuition and strategic foresight. Stop treating AI like a black box tool you outsource. Make it a core part of your thinking process. Build feedback loops that force constant questioning. Why did the model fail here? What blind spots are invisible to everyone? Only when you treat AI as a partner, not a magic wand, do you start unlocking digital minds that can innovate and adapt. Here's the brutal truth. Talent alone won't get you there. The best minds get stuck too, spinning wheels in isolation. The breakthrough? Build a ruthless network of people who challenge everything openly, where founders, investors, and engineers actually push and pull each other intellectually at a level that's exhausting but necessary. No ego, no sugarcoating. Align around relentless improvement of your AI, not comfort or pride. This is your unfair advantage. Build systems where failure is analyzed, not hidden, where messy data drives learning, not paralysis, where every experiment feeds deep understanding, not more confusion. That's how you stop guessing and start knowing. And that's how deep learning stops being a toy and starts being the key to unlocking digital minds that actually think, imagine, and create. The window for complacency is slammed shut. If deep learning still feels like a puzzle that only others solve, it's because you haven't made the call to change your whole approach, tech, teams, and mindset. Fix that. Prioritize building AI that's explainable, flexible, and connected to real-world causes. Demand that your AI systems earn your trust daily by delivering insight, not just output. Remember, you're not just investing in technology. You're investing in a different way of understanding intelligence itself. Get obsessed with simplicity inside complexity. Hunt for signals in noise. And never settle for AI that just mimics patterns. Chase the ones that build understanding. Do this, and you'll turn frustration into power and confusion into clarity. This isn't optional. Either you lead the charge to build digital minds that amplify human potential, or you get left behind fighting for scraps. So sharpen your focus, demand brutal honesty from your teams, and make deep learning work where it actually counts, in solving your problems, in creating value you can measure, and in unleashing intelligence that moves faster and thinks deeper than anything before. There's no easy path here, but the prize? Real freedom. Not the kind sold to you by the system, but the freedom of knowing you're building something nobody else even sees yet. That's the future worth fighting for. Now go out there and own it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.